When you, after a while, awaken, there's greatness and upliftment, and suddenly you can't wake up, and there's no strength and no desire for the friend. It's like something is grabbing us by the feet, neutralizing our sensation, our mind. Is this Amalek?
It's the Creator that gives you an addition of the will to receive so that you can process it correctly and rise to a higher level.
It's like this neutralization completely.
You can explain to yourself whatever you want. I'm telling you what happens in this kind of case. There's no Amalek, there's no Pharaoh, there's nothing here. There's none else besides him. And he does everything to you. And you must not leave that. Amalek, there's no such thing. Just understand, these are all appearances of the Creator. He's conducting this theater before you, and he plays all those different 1,000 characters.